y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ree, and I'm back with another video. Oh, excuse me. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing some lightning bolt nails, as you see by the title. So make sure y'all subscribe to this channel, hit that notification bell button, and give this video a big thumbs up. And make sure you go follow Sherice the Nail Tech on Instagram. And also, make sure you go check out me and Bae's channel, Ree and Cal. Here's a little clip of what we do over there.
Everybody just don't let them get that. Grab this box that's ripped up. We gotta say cheese real quick. Or matter of fact, everybody hold this up. You bit it already?
A little.
Why?
Oh,
come on.
Look at him. He can't even do it.
Oh shit, he about to cut.
Come on. Say cheese. Everybody grab something. Say cheese. No, grab your grab the little wrapper.
I feel bad for you.
Say cheese.
Cheese, hot.
Cal, come on. Alright, 1, 2.
What the fuck? Yeah, that video was real funny, y'all. So go check that out. Click the card up top. However, right now I am just chopping my nails down because I need to get them short to be able to put the lightning piece on top of my nails. You all will see in a minute once I get to that part, but I'm just going to use these clippers to chop my nails down. Then I'm going to take my file and then I am going to thin out my nails because I'm going to be using a different color on top of my nails. So I'm going to thin this out really thin to where it's barely any acrylic on my nail. So when you do that, you want to make sure you don't stay in one spot or on one nail for a long time because you can burn your nail plate by doing that. So you want to kind of like alternate sides and different nails.
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like
voila, they're thinned out. So now that they're thinned out, I am going to go ahead and start my preparation for my lightning bolts. So right now I am about to just like prep my nail, get rid of all the cuticle, dehydrate my nail plate, and just get it all nice and clean so I can get these bad boys looking real good. So right now I'm using my sander bit to dry out the fill-in part of my nail plate, and then I'm going to use this little cuticle thing here to clean the back of my cuticles and push it back a little bit. Y'all know I always use my cuticle ball, but I couldn't find it, so I had to use this. This works just as good. Well, no, I'm not going to say just as good because I love my cuticle ball. But it works if you need it. Make sure y'all share this video. Share the short of it. Share the picture. Share it on Facebook and Instagram because your girl is trying to go up on these nails. These nails deserve to go up. They are so cute. So you know your girl hit 10K. And if you made it to this part of the video, you know what to do. If you see my live that I just recently posted the other day, make sure you comment enter underneath this video to be entered in my giveaway. So the first prize winner is going to get a t-shirt, a mask, and a $20 Cash App. And then the second place winner is going to get a mask and a $20 Cash App. So make sure you comment enter because you could be the winner. And thanks again for getting me to 10K. Your girl is just going up and up and up. Thank y'all. I really appreciate it. So here's my Valentino highlight yellow. This is a very pretty yellow. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make this go in the dark. So your girl is just putting a little bit of this yellow in a little cup, and then I'm going to add some glitter specks, some glow in the dark powder, a little bit of clear, just so the powder will lay a little bit better, because sometimes when you use certain colors, they don't lay as good as like natural acrylics would. So I just add a little bit of clear powder. I'm just going to mix this all up and get it to glowing and cute, glittery glow. That's what I'm gonna say, glittery glow.
thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
So here's the highlight yellow, and I'm gonna activate the glow. Ooh, look at that. Then I'm gonna add some of that glitter in there, mix that up. Your girl is a chemist. I'm feeling like a chemist over here. I'm about to just go ahead and start making my own little acrylic powders because this is lit.
Today's gonna be a good day. So life ain't easy, yo. I think there's a reason, though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing.
So now that I have everything all set, I'm going to draw out my lightning bolts. So I'm going to measure the tip of my nail, how long I want it. So I'm just going to put a line where my nail is and a line at the top for how long I want my lightning bolts to be. And then I'm just going to draw the lightning bolt out on this nail form piece of paper. So the little forms, the sticky forms that you use to sculpt nails, this is that paper that I use to draw my stuff on. It has like a wax film on it, and you want to use something like that when you draw something out and put acrylic on paper, so it's easier to peel off. So I drew my lightning, and I'm just gonna, you know, color in the inside as if I was coloring on a coloring book or something. So I'm just gonna place my acrylic inside the lightning bulb and make sure I straighten up the lines, because you want it to be crispy. You don't want to have to foul the sides of your drawing or whatever you're sculpting, because if you have to foul it, it's not going to be as crisp as it would be if you was to straighten your lines up while you're patting down your acrylic and making what you want. When you do this, you want to make sure you use a small like art brush or acrylic brush. I'm using size 10, size 8 work. Anything smaller than a size 10 you want to use, because you don't want to overflow the paper. You want to kind of make sure your bead is a little bit dry when you're placing it down, because you don't want your acrylic to overflow out the lines. You want to make sure you stay inside the lines.
So instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta.
Okay, my pieces are all done. They're so cute. I can't wait to put these on. So your girl is going to use some nail glue to stick them to the tip of my nails. And yes, I use that same drawing for every single nail, because I have a trick. I'm going to foul the sides, the bottom parts of them once I stick them on my nail to fit each nail. But you all will see what I'm talking about. So I'm going to take my nail glue and just put a little bit of glue at the tip of these lightning bolts, and then I'm going to stick them on the tip of my nail as if it was a nail tip. But before I do all that, I'm going to prep my nails again. So since I already dehydrated them, I'm going to dehydrate them some more with some dehydrator. And then I'm going to put some primer on there, because now I am ready to put the acrylic on my nails and give myself a fill-in. And if you don't know the difference between dehydrator and primer, dehydrator just dries the nail plate out, and then primer helps the acrylic stick to the nail plate.
Confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go.
I heard from a subscriber that you all want to see me do mukbangs again. So if you want to see me do mukbangs again, comment and let me know if you all still want to see mukbangs also. So yeah, because I can add that in there. It is my lifestyle, so I'm going to give y'all more vlogs too, because I know I said I want to do nails and vlogs. But if y'all want to see mukbangs every now and then, just let me know. Now I'm taking my primer and I'm putting it in my fill-in area, because that's where you want it to be, nowhere else, so that your acrylic adheres to your nail plate. Here is my yellow that I'm using. I'm just going to use a little bit, and I'm just going to make sure I cover the gap where the lightning bolts meet the tip of the nail. And I'm just giving it like a little ombre look. So I'm just going to like swap it down a little bit, just to like blend it into the nude, you know. And then I'm just going to add a little bit more onto the bottom part of the lightning bulb, just to make it a little bit thicker, because you don't want these to break, and you don't want that big gap where the free edge meets the lightning bulb. So you want to make sure you cover all that in right there, because you don't want these to pop off. So once I do that, I'm going to go ahead and take my nude, and I'm going to ombre the nude on top of the yellow.
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm.
And this is what it should look like once you blend the lightning bulb in with the free edge of your nail. And I'm just going to repeat this with every single nail. So just watch.
And it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test. I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby, you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares. Send it right there.
When doing ombre, you want to lightly swap your color up to the other color. Not too hard, because you want to make sure that those colors ombre. So you want to like just grab a little bit and just lightly, when I say lightly, like really lightly, just push the color up into the other color, just to give it that nice ombre look.
Sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion. Even though
When you're doing your fill-ins towards the cuticle area, you want to make sure you have more dry than wet bead, because you don't want to flood the cuticles. So you want to get a little close to the cuticle and make sure that you lay your bead just a few centimeters away from the cuticle, and just have like a more drier bead back there than you would at the middle or the tip of the nail.
I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palm. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby, you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares. Send it right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me? Then will you get bored of killing me?
So here's the ombre. Now that it's ombre, you want to take your clear acrylic and make sure you go over that ombre, because when you foul, you can foul that ombre off. So you want to encapsulate that ombre to leave it exactly how you did it. So you just want to add a little bit of clear. You don't even have to cover the whole nail with clear. You could just do where the ombre is at, and then once you foul, everything will blend together. After everything is fouled, this is the finishing product. Well, not the total finishing product, but that's how it looks after everything is found. Now I'm going to take some of my AB crystals and stones, and I'm just going to decorate my nails. So I decided to use my highlight yellow stones and some small AB crystals because I didn't want to do too much to the nail to take away from the lightning bolt. So I just added just a little bit of stones at the cuticle of the nail. So y'all, I was struggling putting these stones on because I left my wax pen at the nail shop. So I was really trying to pick up every single stone with just a tiny bit of glue because I didn't want to flood the top of the stone with glue and make it look all nasty for the picture. So I literally was struggling trying to get these stones on my nails. So if y'all see me taking forever doing this, even in fast motion, I was struggling, but that's what the nails are going to look like, just like this nail. So I'm just going to do every single nail just like the middle finger.
Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up. 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 Today's gonna be a good day. Yo. Set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up. 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 Today's gonna be a good day. So life ain't easy, yo. I think there's a reason, though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo.
Ooh, I'm finally done with that. Here's my Valentino No Wipe Clear Gel Top Coat. So I'm just going to cover my stones. Well, not all the stones, but just the little stones. All the way up to the tip of the lightning bulb with this gel. Because I want to make sure everything looks good. Everything is secured. So I'm just going to top coat these twice. And it's just going to be really pretty. The glitter is popping now and everything. So I can't wait. I let that cure for 60 seconds. And these bad boys came out looking great, y'all. They glow in the dark and everything, y'all. They look so good. If you like these, please comment and give this video a big thumbs up. And let your girl know what you want to see next. And make sure you enter in that giveaway. But I love y'all. I hope you enjoyed this video. See y'all in the next one. Peace. Mwah.
Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up. Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up. Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up. Today's gonna be a